few things. Engines being covered to don't be contaminated further. All right, need to remove all the sealant. Earlier you saw me that I was measuring the retainer with a valve with the digital calipers. I was not looking for the 100 millimeter or the 10 millimeter. I was looking for the millimeter, and you saw the difference. That's the point. Then I'm not trusting this cylinder head because it has epoxy glue on it. Because before I saw the guides, it was not in good shape. How you can get away with that? You can grind these pieces here, the edges of the rocker arm. If you grind it, you're gonna create some more space and you're gonna give you the clearance. Is it right? It is what it is. All these parts need to be washed. It's been contaminated. All right. All these parts, what you see, need to remove the sealant, need to be washed properly, need to go inside the engine room. Same thing for the engine, and then closing back together. Like I said, if I knew that the cylinder head had a new guides, new valves, and everything was new and nice and fine, then I might grind, let us say, the notches here on the roller arms, on the rollers, hydraulic lifters, all right, and to put it on. Now it's a different story. Now it's a different story because I remember how it was the cylinder head. All right, and to don't forget, that's for me. To don't forget, I have to stretch the ARP bolts for the number 4 connector. Yeah, this is gonna happen at the end. What else? Like I said, you can do this job while it's in the car. All right. That's it. Small update. Over and out.